subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching OnePlus 7T last week in India, the company is now gearing up to launch its Pro variant called OnePlus 7T Pro. Recently, the OnePlus 7T Pro has surfaced online by Ishan Agarwal on his Twitter account that showed the clear renders of the upcoming smartphone. According to the leaked renders, the OnePlus 7T Pro will come with full screen display on the front with curved edges. Interestingly, there is no notch or a punch hole seen on the screen. That means the upcoming smartphone will be back with pop-up selfie camera that we have seen on earlier launched OnePlus 7 Pro smartphone. Coming to the back, the phone will be equipped by triple camera setup which is aligned vertically at the top center along with the dual LED flash. And beside to the camera setup, there is something that appears to be an sensor. The power button along with the alert slider are seen on the right side while the volume rockers appears on the left side. Talking about the specifications, according to the previous report suggest the OnePlus 7T Pro will most likely be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset and is expected to run on latest Android 10 out of the box. The smartphone is also said to have large screen with high resolution and a bigger battery than the current OnePlus 7T smartphone. Apart from this, there is no other detail of OnePlus 7T Pro has leaked so far. Talking about the release date, the OnePlus has started teasing about its upcoming 7T series smartphone on Amazon India site that suggests the 7T Pro will launch in India on October 10th. So as of now, that's all we know about the OnePlus 7T Pro, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.